The Earth used to be covered with forests, deserts, plains, swamps, and many other land biomes. Ever since humans began to create large cities and urban areas, these biomes have begun to slowly disappear. When these urban areas are created, the albedo of that area drops because the surfaces of the cities absorb more sunlight due to the asphalt and concrete that makes up the cities. This causes the urban areas to be much warmer than before the cities were founded and much warmer than the suburban areas, thus warming the Earth. A positive feedback mechanism is created because the small increase in temperature in the city can lead to an increase in temperature in many other areas. One of the cities where this is most prominent is in Providence, Rhode Island. Providence is a medium-sized compact city in the northeastern United States. In downtown Providence, the temperature is over 12 degrees Celsius warmer than the rural areas surrounding it. To put this in perspective, Buffalo is about the same size as Providence, but its buildings and total land area is much more spread out. This causes the city of Buffalo to only be about 7 degrees warmer downtown than in the rural surrounding areas. The difference of temperature between cities and their surrounding areas is known as the urban heat island effect. The urban heat island effect multiplies the effects of global warming by increasing the temperature of the Earth even more. The intensity of the urban heat island can be reduced by planting trees because they can create sort of a canopy that can cool the cities and reflect more of the sunlight rather than absorb it. Providence has taken some vital steps to reduce the urban heat island effect in their own city. For example, the city has implemented high albedo roads by using cement concrete instead of asphalt. This concrete has an albedo of 0.35 and the asphalt has an albedo of 0.1. This is a significant step in the right direction. Another solution that can fix the urban heat island effect is by planting more trees to create a tree canopy. Providence has a plan to set in place to have 40,000 trees planted by the end of 2020. With these solutions set in place, the urban heat island effect could be eliminated if other cities and urban areas were to follow.